Everyone, please welcome from JB Sparkle, the handsome Jerry Gonzalez. Let's give him a round of applause. Welcome to Seymour Nauhan, Jerry. Salamat at sinamahan mo kami ngayon sa opening ng Seymour Nauhan. We would also like to thank Rexona for bringing you here today. We have some questions for you, Jerry. Nakapunta ka na ba sa Nauhan ni Dora before or is this your first time?
Una-una gusto ko munang bumati na magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat sa Kataganawan. Ayan, and congratulations Seymour for a newly open store and maraming salamat for having me. And kung nakapunta na po ako dito, it's my first time dito sa Nauhan pero sa Mindoro po, a couple of times.
Kapag sinabing Mindoro, ano ba ang pagkain na naiisip mo?
Kain, more on seafoods, tama ba? Seafoods and then, ano pa ba yung delicacies? Kasi more on sa lugar kasi yung pinupuntahan eh. Puerto Galera, kaya ganun.
So once again, thank you very much, Jerry, for joining us today. Before we let you go, meron ka pa bang gustong sabihin to all our shoppers and fans?
Yes po, again, maraming salamat for having me and sana po abangan niyo ako sa upcoming shows namin. Papromote na po ako yung Widow's War sa GMA Prime. This July 1 na po yan. And sana po panoorin niyo sa 8:50 p.m. ng gabi. Kasama ko po dito si Miss Bea Alonso, Miss Carla Beliana, at marami pa iba. And again, happy shopping po dito sa Seymour. Yeah.
Maraming salamat, Jerry. Tulad nga ng sabi niya, para sa mga gusto magpa-picture with our handsome GMA Sparkle artist, Jerry, bumili lang ng any Rexona variant at ipakita ang resibo mamaya sa photo area. So guys, that ends our program for today. In a very short while, magbubukas na po ang Seymour Nauhan. Katulad ng nasabi ko kanina, maraming opening promos and discounts at mas marami kayong pwedeng ma-avail if you have your SM Advantage card with you. Huwag palampasin ang mga buy one, take one, price off, and bundles including our value packs where you can save as much as 80%. Plus, only for today, in celebration of the opening of Seymour Nauhan Mindoro, you can avail our buy turon with Ubens. Get free chocolate turon with a minimum of 1,000 pesos single receipt. Only here at Seymour Nauhan Mindoro. Thank you everyone for joining me today. This is CA Nika. Once again, I am here to serve. Stay tuned from down to the store opening. See you later, guys!
Lalabas na.